For her, this isn't just the first day of school. It feels like stepping into the unknown. She imagines it as something frightening, almost like a nightmare. But sometimes, fear fades the moment you take the first step. Let's see her story.
A teacher came to the front in a very loud voice. All the children laughed at something. I did not understand the joke.
It is your first day of school.
I am not ready.
Come eat your breakfast.
It is your first day of school.
I am not ready. My stomach feels strange.
That is just excitement.
It does not feel like excitement.
Eat slowly.
I cannot eat. I am too nervous. Why is it so big? No one is here. Even the benches look scary. Hello? Why is it so quiet? No, I don't like this place, Steve. The room was loud and full of strangers. I was standing alone at the door. Nobody looked at me. A teacher came to the front in a very loud voice. All the children laughed at something. I did not understand the joke.
That was only your imagination.
It felt very real.
Maya, it is time to go.
Everyone ready? Shall we go to school?
Mom, will the other kids be friendly?
Yes, of course. Children are kind.
Mom, are you ready to meet the scary teacher?
Sam, stop it.
Some kids laugh at new students. Maya, you may be in trouble.
Sam!
Stop it. What if nobody talks to me?
Just stay calm. Everything will be all right.
Maybe the teacher is very strict today.
Sam, stop.
Dad, are we close?
Yes, almost there.
When I had my first day, I was brave. Is that true? Yes. I didn't even feel scared, not even a little.
Didn't you hide behind me at the gate?
Okay, I cried a little at lunch.
And hold my hands so tight I couldn't move? Maya, are you okay?
I am a little scared.
That's okay. First days can feel like that.
What if I don't know anyone?
You'll meet new friends. Just say hello, that's how it starts.
What if I miss you?
I'll be right here when school ends. Always.
It looks very big. It is just a school.
Come on, brave.
Dad, will you come too?
Yes, I will. Let's find your classroom.
Hey, this is my sister. She's scared.
Sam, stop. Sam, that's enough. Don't shout like that.
I am just joking.
What if nobody talks to me?
Just stay calm.
Mom, stay with me.
Of course, Maya. Let's find your classroom.
I'm a little nervous. That girl has a pink bag.
Maybe she is in your class.
Mom, is that the teacher?
Yes, she is.
She looks serious. In my head, she looks like a giant. Feels so big, and I don't know anyone there.
I know it feels for you and thy kids, but that's how every first day feels, even for grown-ups sometimes.
The teacher, she looks serious. What if I do something wrong and she gets mad at me?
Teachers want to take care of their student. She'll help you, just like I do at home. All right, class, let's play a game. Who wants to be an animal?
Me! Her!
Wonderful. Show me how a bird flies. And quack. She's a little nervous. It's her first day, so she's hiding behind me. That's perfectly okay. Take your time. I promise it's a safe and happy place for you here.
Mom, they're all already sitting together. What if they don't want me there?
Friendships start like this. Everyone is new at first. Just sit with them.
Hey, you can sit here with us.
Is this your first day too? I was nervous this morning.
What's your name? We're just waiting for the teacher. You can join us.
Good morning, everyone. I'm so happy to see all of you here today. I know it's your first day and help each other. Let's start by getting to know each other. Who would like to tell me their name?
Do you like this class? I think it's nice.
Yeah, I was scared before, but it feels okay now.
Same. I thought I would cry, but it's actually kind of fun.
Yeah, and the teacher is nice too. Not scary like I thought. Okay, maybe we can play friends. Look, I solved the puzzle.
Wow! How did you do that?
You just don't have to match letters. Can I try? We can all solve it together.
Oh, Maya, you did very well.
Yay, Maya, that's so cool.
Wow, you got the cube. Good job.
See, you did it. That was awesome. Thank you, guys.
Wonderful job, everyone. Let's all clap for our friend.
1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap.
Great teamwork. She's really settled in. Look how comfortable she is now.
Yes, she's a...
It feels good to see her like this, so free and confident.
Yeah, this is the start of something good for her.
Every small step away from us.
And each start makes her stronger.
All right, class. What wonderful ideas do you have to share today?
I drew cities.
Actual trees give us oxygen. Who else?
I drew the sun. It makes us warm. A is for apple. This feels soft. I like the letter A. So many colors. Yay!
All right, class. Today we're talking about imagination.
Like magic?
Exactly. Who can give me an example?
A flying car. Unicorn.
Wonderful ideas. Let's draw them. Today,
You
did a great job today. I'm really proud of you. See, you were brave and you made it through your first day. That's how it begins. Tomorrow will feel even easier. And you made new friends too. That's very special.
Yes, they talk to me.
Next time, you can try even more things, one step at a time.
I was scared at first, but then I sat with other kids.
And did you like it?
Yes, they talked to me, and teacher was nice.
Oh, really?
I was brave.
I knew you would be.
Tomorrow you'll have even more friends.
Yes, I want to go again. Mom, I was really scared when you left.
I know, but you stayed and tried. That was brave. I was thinking about you too. Every moment.
I kept thinking you'll be there when I come back.
I always will be.
Tomorrow, will you drop me again?
And I'll be right there when you return too.
Okay, then I can go again.
So, did you hide behind Mom all day?
No, I went inside and sat with everyone.
Really? No crying at all?
Just a little.
Then I was brave.
Okay, brave girl.
Tomorrow I'll be even better. My teacher read us a story about a dragon.
Wow, cool! We learned about dinosaurs.
Sounds like you both had a great day.
And now you get to enjoy the forest.
Tomorrow, I won't be scared.
Even if you are, you'll still go.
Yes, I will.